of my MP5A4. So starting from the back, it is an A5 version. Sorry if I'm wrong. It might be A4, but I'm pretty sure A5s are the full stock version. Going down, ambidextrous trigger. I have no safety for some reason, but yeah, it's ambidextrous, whatever. Got the aim point. It's on the built-in cantilever mount. Let me put on the flash so you guys can see that built-in cantilever mount. Oh, showing all the dirt. Anyways, XTMs. I got 3 panels on the side, 4 on the bottom. Noveski amplifier. Trades. The SOCOM Gear one, not the whatchamacallit, the real one. It's the SOCOM Gear one. It doesn't have the whatchamacallit cones in it. Alright. Let's see. So my gun, mostly everything is changed out. Has King Arms 18:1 gear set ratio. King Arms 18:1 ratio gear set. Has a GMP white piston, 16 auger wire, Prometheus bucking, JBU Type 4 barrel 6.03, Gauder M110 spring, Gauder spring guide, some other crap.